If you ask me where my story began, I wouldn't say it started in a classroom or at my first event. I'd say it began with a simple belief that every meaningful experience is created by people who genuinely care. Mabuhay ug madayaw, I am Aloria Feb Martihe, a hospitality management student from Davao Oriental State University, and that belief has shaped every step of my journey. Hospitality has taught me that excellence isn't always found in grand gestures. Sometimes it's in the details. A perfectly prepared table, a warm smile during a busy service, or staying composed when everything around you is moving fast. As an on-call catering service crew, I had the privilege of serving guests during large-scale celebrations, where I learned to thrive under pressure while delivering professional and attentive service. Those experiences strengthened my adaptability, teamwork, and commitment to creating memorable guest experiences. Beyond the workplace, I challenged myself to lead. I organized a program flow for our catering event simulation, ensuring every activity ran seamlessly from beginning to end. As head chef during our menu tasting laboratory, I coordinated kitchen operations, transforming ideas into an exceptional dining experience. Each opportunity taught me something different, but together they shaped who I am. Someone who leads with purpose and believes that great hospitality is about making people feel valued. Today, I am excited to take the next step by pursuing an internship in food and beverage and housekeeping, where I can continue learning from industry professionals while contributing my passion, dedication, and strong work ethic. Because for me, hospitality isn't simply a career path. It's the story I want to keep writing. Mabuhay ug madayaw, and I look forward to becoming part of your team.